Good morning. Hello guys, welcome back to another week on the channel. It's been a while since I posted, but that's because I started my new contract. Yeah, the first 2 weeks are rougher to get my life together, but I have been washing my hair. I washed my hair last week Sunday. Today is Tuesday. It's due to be washed, but I'm going out today and I wanted to try something new. Curlsqueen, their hair care company, have extensions ranging from straight hair to coily hair, and they reached out to me, so I'd like to dedicate this portion of the video to thank them for the opportunity. Thank you, Curlsqueen, for sending me one of your products to try. So this product is clip-in bundles. So I'm gonna open it. I really like how it is. I like the color. It says Curlsqueen, to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Period. I don't want to destroy this thing, so we're just gonna take it off like this. Take this off, and then it opens. Ta-da! It comes with this little kit in here, which is cute. Let's see what it has in here. That's a brush in there. Tangle teaser. I think it's a tangle teaser. It comes with a hair bonnet. Very nice to put on. It's very soft too. I like the color. And then they sent you extra clips in case, you know, one of them breaks. So the bag is softer than my hair. No, I'm just kidding. The bundles looks like. Wow, it's really soft. And I purposefully chose coily hair because I refer to my hair as coily hair. So it's getting bigger and bigger. I took it out, it was like compressed, and it's getting bigger and bigger. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft. It really is very soft. But this is the bundle. I'm gonna wash it and dry it out, you know, for it to show the actual coils of it, because right now it has no parting, and then we will install it. Thank you so much, Curlsqueen, for giving me this opportunity to try out your product. Now back to the regular portion of my video. This is what we are starting with. I'm gonna twist it up and kind of braid it because my braiding sucks, especially on dry hair. So I'm gonna put it all together and come back with this washed and ready to be installed. You know, as the winter months are coming by, I was actually looking wigs. I like wearing wigs, but at the same time I want to take it off like the same day. I think this clip-ons you can take off the same day and then put it right back the next morning. Today, who do I have sitting by me? Tobias is sleeping right now. But right here we have Theo. This is their nap time. They're trying to sleep. Theo, you've never been on here. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, Theo. Your brother has been a star. Where have you been? He wants to go back to bed. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next clip. I've washed the hair, not my hair, but I've washed the clip-ins. I'm just gonna prep my hair. I sprayed a little bit of this in there, African Pride leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna seal the ends with some sweet almond oil. I wanted to use my Moroccan oil, but I don't have it here. If you have that, I'll say use that, because that's more softening. I just want to put some oil on the ends so that my hair isn't too dry, but you have to spread the leave-in conditioner in first. So a little bit more movable, not professional twist. I want to do a side part. I'm very nervous the hair is not gonna really match my hair color. My hair is more brown than black. I don't know the color scheme, but if you can do cornrow, do it. I'm gonna do a flat twist, kinda. You get the gist. So I think these are gonna be left outside for the side part, and then I'm gonna twist the other ones down. When I get them all done, I'm gonna come back. That's what it looks like. I basically twisted it and braided the twist. And this is the leave out. Alright, I think let's install it here. Let me go grab the hair. Alright friends, we're gonna install it. The one I'm gonna install today is the Curlsqueen Tight Afro Coily Clip-In Hair Extension Set 4C4D. So that's what we're gonna install. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm nervous as much as you are. The washing process wasn't bad. I would just recommend using the on brush. It just helped detangle it faster with less knots. So that's what I use. Clips make sense. So it's a clip and then you open and then close. So I think you open, you hook it, and then you close it. So this is what it looks like. This is the curl parting. It's pretty nice. Like, I actually do like it. It's very soft. It was soft through and through, with and without the conditioner. Like, I know I'm gonna love it. Like I said, I've never done this before. Oh my goodness, it's cute. It really is cute. Let me redo this side. Look at it. So pretty. Oh, I'll also detangle before you put it on your head to avoid pulling and tugging. Nope, 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 nope. Come on. This is so cute. I literally just want to leave it. Like, I look so good. My hair is a little bit on the lighter side than the actual hair. So as you can see, I left this parameter. It's on the side, so no one worry about that. This parameter is also here. I don't think you can see any tracks being left. There's really no tracks. Alright, we're done. If I want to not hide, but if I wanted to blend in more, I'll just like push the hair out more and push my hair in more and let the black one show. So much volume. Cute! Boy, I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna turn around. This time, I don't care what the back looks like because I know it looks good. You know, usually I'm like, the back is not gonna look good, but this time I know it looks good. So, stare all you want. You can put edge control on there. Man, I don't know where my edge controller is. Let me try gel, regular gel, and see where that takes me. Okay, I mean, it's brushed out. It looks fine. This is my hair for today. I look like a whole different human. Alright, I'm gonna take pictures. I do like this texture. This is the real texture of the hair. Fully dried, 100% dried. It's very nice. When it's wet, I'm gonna wet a section so you see what it looks like when it's wet. It's pretty much like this when it's wet. If you do get the hair, just wash it. I just recommend that you wash it. I just recommend that you wash it with shampoo and put conditioner in it, and you have your hair ready to go. You can also get this clip-in in either 4C, 4A, 4B, or in the 3 types or the 2 type. I'm gonna put the link, the description of the hair, the exact, you know, increments and measurements and bundle, every information related to this clip-in product. I'm gonna put it in the description box. And Curlsqueen is also offering a discount code if you do decide to purchase from them. The code will also be in the description box. You can use that code as well. This is it for now. Okay, thank you guys. I gotta run, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be uploading a weekly wash day very soon. So yeah, I'm going out to see what it looks like outside without the light. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. It actually looks nice out here. It really does, with just natural lighting. It's not heavy at all. Like, I think it's heavy, but it's not. It like moves like a snake. Move like a snake. It moves. It's soft. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Stay amazing. Bye.